Unit number 1, subunit 1.5. Title of the subunit is Types of Electronics Communication. Communication means sending of information. Here may or may not be the involvement of electronics. If we say electronics communication, it means we wanted to send a signal at a long distance, and therefore there is involvement of electronic system or electronic circuit. Depending upon whether the communication is in one direction or in both direction, the electronic communication can be classified as unidirectional communication, or the system is called as unidirectional system, or it can be bidirectional system. In unidirectional system, signal is sent by A and it is received by B. It means signal cannot be sent from B to A. There is one-way communication, that is called as unidirectional communication, and this system is called as simplex system. So what is simplex system? Simplex system is a system in which transmitter transmits the signal, receiver receives the signal, but reverse is not possible. Receiver cannot send a signal to the transmitter. So it is one direction communication. The example of simplex system is radio. You receive the program transmitted by radio transmitter, but you cannot send signal from your receiver to a transmitter. Another example is TV broadcasting. Here also you watch the television program which is telecasted by transmitter, but you cannot send any signal from your receiver to a transmitter. I hope you understand that. So this is your television, TV, this is your transmitter. So this type of communication goes on. The reverse is not possible. So this is called as unidirectional system or simplex system. In bidirectional system, there are two types: half duplex system and full duplex system. Half duplex system, it is bidirectional system. It means A can transmit the signal to B. B can also transmit the signal to A, but here in half duplex, this is not simultaneously. This is not possible simultaneously transmission. So not simultaneously. When A is sending a signal to the B, at that time B cannot send a signal to A. After the finish out of sending of signal A to the B, now B can send a signal to A. Now the example of this is walkie-talkie. On walkie-talkie, simultaneous transmission of signal is not possible. Next is a full duplex system. This is, you can say, you can send a signal in both direction simultaneously. It means A can send a signal to B, at the same time B can send a signal to A. The example of the full duplex system is your telephone system. I hope you understand this. We just take a review of this. Electronics communication means involvement of electronics in sending and receiving of the signal. Two types: one direction communication, that is called as unidirectional system; two direction communication, that is bidirectional communication. Unidirectional system is also called as a simplex system. Bidirectional communication system is also called as duplex system. Unidirectional system means it allows to transmit the signal in one direction. Example is radio, TV. In bidirectional, there are two types: half duplex, full duplex. In half duplex, A can send a signal to B, but at the same time B cannot send a signal to A. B can send a signal to A after finish out of sending of signal from A to B. So there is no simultaneous transmission of the signal. Example is walkie-talkie. In full duplex system, A can send a signal to B, at the same time B can send signal to A. So it is a both direction communication. So simultaneous transmission of signal in both direction is possible in full duplex system. Example is telephone system. Because of the length of the video, if it is very long, it is difficult to send that video on any platform. So therefore I have decided here onwards I will record the video subunit wise. So it means 1.5 subunit of types of electronic communication. So this video is exclusively describing types of communication system only. Thank you.